How to install your Gainsborough Freestyle Smart Wi-Fi Trilock. Before starting, gather all supplied parts and tools, including a pencil, ruler, chisel, screwdriver, drill and drill bits. Prepare the door by positioning the template at the desired latch height and marking the hole positions. Mark the reverse side using the template. Measure and mark the center on the latch height line. Drill a 25mm hole for the latch squarely. Drill 3mm pilot holes, then enlarge to 10mm. Cut a 54mm hole on both sides of the door carefully to avoid damage. Mark and chisel a 4mm recess for the latch faceplate using it as a template. Install the latch with the tapered side towards the jamb. Check the lever handing. Adjust by swinging over as needed. Install the external door components. Attach the spindle spring to the spindle and install. Use the supplied tool to open the battery cover. Connect the internal components to the main unit. Ensure alignment of the D shaft and socket, and check that no cables are pinched. Secure the internal components with the provided screws. Position the door to mark the strike plate's center point on the frame. Drill a 25mm hole to a depth of 25mm for the strike plate. Chisel recesses for the strike plate. Install the strike plate with the supplied screws. Insert the batteries to finish the installation. Enjoy your new Gainsborough Freestyle Smart Wi-Fi Trilock. For programming or additional information, refer to the installation guide or our website. Gainsborough. Enter with style.